Hello and welcome. In this algebra lesson, we are going to master the method for solving inequalities that have variables on both sides of the sign. We call this the collection method. Take a look at this inequality. 4x plus 3 is greater than 2x minus 9. The problem here is that our variable, x, isn't just on one side. It appears on both the left and the right. To find the answer, we need to fix this arrangement. Our main strategy is simple: collection. We want to organize the terms. We will move every term containing a variable, like x, to the left side, and we will move every plain number or constant to the right side. This sorts the problem into a format we can easily solve. Let's try an example. 5x plus 2 is greater than 3x minus 8. Our first move is to collect the variables on the left. Since 3x is on the right, we want to remove it. We do this by subtracting 3x from both sides. When we subtract 3x from 5x, we get 2x. The 3x on the right cancels out. Now our inequality looks much simpler. 2x plus 2 is greater than negative 8. The variables are successfully collected on the left. Next, we need to collect the constants on the right. We have a positive 2 on the left side that is in the way. To move it, we subtract 2 from both sides of the inequality. Negative 8 minus 2 equals negative 10, so we are left with 2x is greater than negative 10. The final step is to isolate x by dividing both sides by 2. Negative 10 divided by 2 is negative 5, so our final answer is x is greater than negative 5. Before we move on, there is one critical rule to remember. If you ever multiply or divide by a negative number, you must flip the direction of the inequality symbol. For example, if you have negative 2x is greater than 8, and you divide by negative 2, the greater than sign flips to become a less than sign. Let's look at our previous answer. X is greater than negative 5 on a number line. We place an open circle at negative 5 because the inequality is strictly greater than, not equal to. Then, we draw an arrow pointing to the right, showing all numbers larger than negative 5 are valid solutions. To recap, follow these 4 steps. 1. Collect all variable terms on one side. 2. Collect all constant numbers on the other side. 3. Divide to isolate the variable. And 4. Always remember to flip the inequality sign if you divide or multiply by a negative number.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.